Well, here I am again. Sorry if the music's loud today. I had a little trauma in my life and I need to distract myself. And my favorite thing to distract myself is a swipe. No matter what I should be doing, that's what I'm going to be doing. So, I wonder if I have any glasses. It doesn't look like it. Let's just do this without glasses, shall we? Now, I don't use enough of this color. And it looks like it's thick because of that. So we hope that won't be a problem. We'll just use enough of other colors so it'll have a chance to blend in with them, we hope. Okay. And I'm going to use my little spatula tool that I'll show you in a minute if you've never visited with me before. I'm not overly thrilled with those two together, but that'll change as we go on. I'm going to take, I'm going to do that. I'm going to take what's on the edges and put it over on the side. I don't consider this that it has to stay totally neat as an imperative to begin with, because it's going to be a swipe. Colors will blend. That blue is thick. I'm glad I'm smoothing it out. I feel like being odd as heck today. And these are not my usual colors, and that would be a good start. I wanted some of that, but I don't want that right there. What do I want? I want this. Actually, I'm going to put that right in there. I'm going to go back to some of the colors that I'm used to. I'm not sure that's actually one of them. That is. I like that color so much. And I think I'm going to start this as a black swipe, which means, with any luck at all, I'll put a lot of gold in there and the gold will actually show up. That would be nice. I like it when the gold shows up. I have a rag to wipe my spatula with. That doesn't mean I want to use it, because I want some of that paint to come off on the painting and not be wasted. But that's okay. We're getting somewhere. I'm just going to fill in some of this right here. Turquoise. A lot of these are metallics. And I always like this color with that, with gold. I don't know why it works so well. Maybe it just works well, period. It's green gold and it's Color Shift by Folk Art, and I love it. And I think I'll just keep on loving it up here. It's a weird, weird, weird color combination, but you know what fixes that for me? This. My favorite neon purple. Also by Folk Art. I think I'm going to go right here. 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 I know if I use blue, it dominates everything, so I'm really hoping that that's not actually the case this time. Looks like we're making a rainbow, doesn't it? Yes, it does. What are rainbows without orange? Let me find some orange. Actually, let's just put some of that in there. Should have alternated that, actually, but that's okay. We're good. And this is a nice Color Shift green also. And probably not too much more of that would be good, because we'll go from being dominated by blue to being dominated by green. That's very pretty. I like that. I don't know how well you can see that. I'm inclined to jump up on my ladder and check it out. Come on out. Or don't. I think it's time to make some more of that, honestly. Come on out. Out you come. Yes. I'm not going to worry about that being filled in with the spatula right now. I think we have a really nice color scheme going here. And I'm just just going to add some other things that I like. You know, someday I'm just going to say, nope, not doing it. And I'm going to leave it like it is and let it dry and see what happens. Okay, that sounds like a great idea right now. This is really pretty for me. I never did grab any orange. Fortunately, I have it right here. I have it right here, but it's clogged. And that's a lot of orange. I'm going to put some more. I'm going to have to unclog that soon. And I think I'm going to take a chance and hope for the best that the gold shows up. Now, I did get myself out a nice rag before I started. I'm not sure it's the right size rag. So I'm going to go get this other one that I am sure is the right rag. And you can see it's been used before. It's a little bit longer than the swipe piece. It's made of a cotton t-shirt hem. What else do I want to do there? I want to put my black in. And I want a little more blue. I used to do this all random colors and it looked pretty, no doubt about it. I like the pattern that comes about from not doing that. I am going to finish up that end, even though it'll probably get buried. There are my glasses. Cool. I'm going to take a chance and throw some more of that in there. Actually, I'm going to throw a lot more of that in there. Now, it's time to decide if there's anything else going in. That wasn't really what I had in mind, but that's okay. I need to make some light pink because I don't have any more. And I need to put my swipe color down. And although I've been adding quite a bit of it, I want to try and add a little bit less this time. Because sometimes it seems like it dominates everything. But if you don't have enough, then you don't get that lovely pattern of cell encapsulation. I'm not going to worry about the end right now because I'm going to go down over again, I believe. Well, I say that, and then I tap, tap, tap. Tapping away with my spatula. Let me just drag some of that down there really quick. And the rest over here. Because we all know how easy it is to get black off of things, so it should be equally as easy to get it onto them, honestly. I'm going to save that in case I need it. Hopefully I don't have much of anything in the way. I'm going to take my rainbow, swipe. Oh god, you know, I'm really nervous about that. I want some of that color in there too. Okay. I think I don't have enough swipe color down there. And I love that color, and it wouldn't bother me a bit if I were overwhelmed with that. This rag is a little, it's not as capable of absorbing as some of the others. Because I left paint in it and didn't squeeze it all out. I'm going to fold that end over. There's my t-shirt hem. It's going right in the paint. I'll let it rest in there. And then I'm going to pull. Are you ready? Let's go. Seems to be a lot more on one side than the other. I know these colors will make me happy. I can guarantee it. They're absolutely gorgeous. Stunning even. Perfect. I'm going to take the paint that's on my rag. I'm going to use it right against the edges. If I can get it down there. It's kind of stiff this time. I kind of think I like the stiffness of the rag because it doesn't flop over the painting. Put that aside, and it doesn't absorb as much of the paint. That is absolutely stunning. I am so pleased with that. I can't even tell you. That's exactly what I wanted, and that's exactly what I deserve. All right, I'm gonna let that right there. Let's take a little spatula with some black on it. Touch that edge up. Took my rag and I put it over on some freezer paper, so if any of the paint wants to come off, I can fully utilize that later. This might be the first time I am not the least bit inclined on using my skewer. So I'm going to see if I can bend this butane torch to my will. Oh my god, this is awesome. I'm not doing anything with this. So we're going to call this really fast and really happy. I'm not even tipping it. I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to see if I can release any of the air bubbles that might be in there from me shaking. Use any of the paint I see on the edges. It's falling down to fix the sides. Turn that off. Maybe go back and use the propane torch again, just because. That is just gorgeous. I'm so happy with that. That needs nothing. I mean, my inclination is to mess with it now that I've said I don't want to do anything to it, but I'm going to do another swipe, so I guess that doesn't really matter, because this one will be intact. You watch. Somebody's going to want to buy this. Okay. Well, I can get over that trauma fairly easily. Let's see if there's anything here. Yep. A little here. A little there. And we got some great colors to just put right on the edges. Move that black up a little bit. That's beautiful. Okay. Well, I'm going to make sure you can see it. And you can see it. And it is beautiful. You can't see all of it though. You can see more of it now. I'm going to let you have a close-up if I can. I don't know if that's in focus. I apologize if it's not. I just really wanted to share that. I'll give you a bit of a focus right now if I can. There we go. That's it. Now, I'm going to say goodbye and go put that to dry on a painting rack. All right, that was a ball. Thanks for joining me.